kasi kaya ang mag-isip sir. Parcel po. Okay na ba sir kung wait lang po? Ayun na po si Sir Eric sir, di ba?
Sir, pasensya na po sa disturbo.
Okay. Sir, kayo na lang po mag-open ng account, sir. Surprise po, Sir Eric. Mag-open na ba kayo dito ba? Ayan. So, sir, kami po pakilala na namin, sir. Okay lang ba? Sir, kami po ay nasa-drive all the way from Manila, Ganyan, Pagpulang. So, meron po gusto ko aman sa buhay niyo po, sir. Ang kumontak sa amin today para ibigay ang kanyang surprise gift sa inyo. Sir, may idea ka ba kanina galing? Ha? Saan po ba sa Ma'am Edna? Sir. Dito na sa kanila? Okay, so, ito si Ma'am. Ayan po. So, tama po kayo, sir. Then, ang surprise gift na ito ay galing kay Ma'am Ed. So, sir, may dinadala po si Ma'am na fresh flowers cake para sa inyo, sir. Ayan po. At of course, meron niyo po pinadala sa inyo, sir, na speech topping na dessert. At meron niyo po kayong cake na happy birthday. At meron kayong handset salute. So, sir, okay lang makakahan namin kayo, sir, ng happy birthday. Sa cake ninyo, sir, may nakalagay po na happy birthday. I love you. Ayan po. Makakahan namin kayo, sir, happy birthday po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan po. So, sir, asito na tayo na may fire yung candle mo. So, mag-wish po muna kayo, sir, before you mag-ito ang candle. Ano bang wish mo, sir, Eric? Peace of mind. Ayan. So, sige, sir, blow mo na. Ayan. Bigyan mo natin ito, sir. Siyempre, sir, meron din po message ang ating sender para sa inyo. Okay lang po, sir, pagbasahin natin ang kanyang birthday wish greetings para sa inyo, sir. Yan. May nakarequest pang kanta at takanan.
Sir, dito po kayo, sir. Yan, dito lang po, sir.
Hello? Surprise! This was created in advance, so I am not sure if pinag-topak ako or we are in good mood. But, whatever mood I may be in, please always remember, look beyond what I say, and see through to what I do. Thank you for all the effort. I see it. And I am happy that you are genuinely trying to be better. Not for me, but for yourself. Continue to see yourself as a great, even when others say otherwise. What truly matters is what's in your heart. I pray for more blessings and protection from above. I pray for your health and for a good future. All my wishes today are just for you because this is your special day. P.S. If I may add a special request, I hope that you receive all the desires of your heart and that you find and be with the one who is truly meant for you. I love you and I will always be here for you. Ayan. So yan po ang message ni Ma'am Ed para sa inyo, Sir Eric. So, any message po, if ever nandito ba ngayon si Ma'am Ed, pakarapan niyo, Sir. Sabihin pa kayo, Sir.
dyan, lagi mo ilagay. Ikaw na naging part ng improvements ko sa better person. Thank you so much. I love you.
So, Sir Eric, kami rin po, may kasyempre, our team, is binabati po namin kay Sir ng happy birthday. So, wala rin po kami ibang wish, katulad ng wish ni Ma'am Ed para sa inyo is good health and all your wishes will come true po. So, yun lang po, Sir. Happy birthday. Okay lang po, Sir, gusto na namin kayo po.